ሃይ ሰላም ውድ ተማሪዎች እንዴት ናችሁ? እንዴት ቆያችሁ? በዛሬው ቪዲዮ የምንመለከተው የፍሬሽማን ኢመርጂንግ ቴክኖሎጂ ከዩኒት 1 የተወጣጡ ወደ 30 የሚጠጉ መልቲፕል ቾይስ ጥያቄዎች አብረን እንሰራለን። ቤዝድ ኦን ዩኒት 1 ኢንትሮዳክሽን ፓርቱን ከኢንትሮዳክሽን ፓርት የተወጣጡ ጥያቄዎችን ማለት ነው አብረን እንሰራለን። ቴሌግራማችን ላይ ፒዲኤፉን በዚህኛው ቴሌግራም ሊንክ ገብታችሁ ወይም ኮሜንት ስር ባለው ቴሌግራም ሊንክ ገብታችሁ ፒዲኤፉን እዛ ላይ አክሰስ ማድረግ ትችላላችሁ። ጥያቄ አስተያየታችሁን ኮሜንት ላይ ግልጽ ያልሆነላችሁ ነገር ካለ ኢንጌጅመንታችሁን በአጠቃላይ ኮሜንት ላይ መጻፍ እንዳትረሱ። ኦኬ በአጠቃላይ ጥያቄውና መልሱ ላይ ነው ፎከስ የምናደርገው ለፈተና ሰዓት እንደ ኪውክ ሪፈረንስ እንዲሆናችሁ እና የበለጠ ፈርዘር እንድታነቡ ግልጽ ያልሆነላችሁ ፓርት ካለ እንድትመለከቱ ስለሚረዳችሁ ጥያቄውና ጀስት መልሱን እንመለከታለን። እናንተ ቪዲዮን ፖዝ እያደረጋችሁ ቀድማችሁ ለመስራት ትሞክራላችሁ። The first question, according to the standard academic definition, which criteria must developing technology meet to be referred specifically for the term emerging technology? A, it must be an exact reproduction of established technology. B, it is expected to create significant social or economic effects. C, it must have minor or undetectable local impacts. D, it must focus only on agricultural production methods. ይለናል። ተማሪዎች እንዳልኳችሁ ቪዲዮን ፖዝ ቀድማችሁ እያደረጋችሁ እናንተ ለመስራት ሞክሩ። ከዛ እኔ እሰራላችኋለሁ። አንደኛ ጥያቄ ትክክለኛ መልስ የሚሆነው answer should be it is expected B ማለት ነው። it is expected አንደኛ B, it is expected to create significant social or economic effects የሚለው ትክክለኛ መልስ ይሆናል። number 2, which specific disciplines are contributing to the field of human computer interaction? HCI, A, cognitive psychology, computer science, linguistics, and emerging. B, only mechanical engineering and manual labor. C, strictly agricultural science and farming. D, traditional hand-spun textile methods. ጥያቄው ምንድን ነው የሚለው የሰውና ኮምፒውተር ግንኙነትን ውጤታማ እንዲሆን የሚያስችሉ የትምህርት ዘርፎች በጋራ የሚሰሩት እነማን ናቸው ነው የሚለን። answer should be obviously A, cognitive psychology, computer science, linguistic የቋንቋ ጥናት ማለት ነው እና ኢንጂነሪንግ ናቸው። number 3, the fundamental transition of the first industrial revolution, which marked a major departure from hand tools, was characterized primarily by A, mechanization through water and steam power. B, mass production and assembly lines using electricity. C, the adoption of early mainframe computers. D, a focus on smart and autonomous machine learning. የመጀመሪያው ኢንዱስትሪ አብዮት የሰው ልጆችን ታሪክ ከቀየሩ የኢንዱስትሪ አብዮቶች ነው። ዋና ፊቸሩ ምንድነው? answer should be A ነው። በውሃና በእንፋሎት ኃይል የታገዘ mechanization through water የሚለው ትክክለኛ መልስ ይሆናል። number 4, In the chronological sweep of industrial revolutions, the third industrial revolution, also called the digital revolution, introduced the major transition from mechanical and analog electronic technology to A, reversion back to steam engines, B, smart cyber physical systems, C, traditional handcrafted methods, D, digital electronic, beginning in the late 1950s. The answer should be የሶስተኛው ኢንዱስትሪ አብዮት የዲጂታል አብዮት የሚባለው 3.0 ምንድነው? መልሱ ከ1950ዎቹ መጨረሻ ጀምሮ ወደ ዲጂታል ኤሌክትሮኒክስ ዲጂታል ቢግኒንግ ነው ትክክለኛ መልስ ነው። ተማሪዎች ሰፋ ያለ ማብራሪያ የምትፈልጉ ከሆነ ቴሌግራም ላይ ባለው ቪዲዮ ሊንክ ላይ ገብታችሁ እዛ ላይ በሰፊው አብራርቼ ሰርቼላችኋለሁ። ማብራሪያዎችን የምትፈልጉ ከሆነ ሜቢ እዛ ላይ ቴሌግራም ላይ ባለው ቪዲዮ ሊንክ ገብታችሁ ፒዲኤፍ በምታወርዱ ሰዓት ቀጥሎ ያለው ቪዲዮ ሊንክ ጋር ታገኛላችሁ ሙሉ ማብራሪያውን ማለት ነው። ሰፋ ያለ ኤክስፕላኔሽን further explanation የምትፈልጉ ከሆነ Number 5, how is the fourth industrial revolution IR 4.0 explicitly described in terms of its enhancement relative to the third revolution? A, the fourth revolution will fundamentally reject the computer base of the third. B, the fourth revolution will be a complete replacement of the third, moving away from data. C, the fourth revolution will take what was started in the third and enhance it with smart and autonomous systems. D, the fourth revolution will only return to the steam power used in the first revolution. የአራተኛው ኢንዱስትሪ አብዮት ከሶስተኛው አብዮት የሚለየው ወይ ያሻሻለው ምንድነው ነው በመልኩ ነው የሚለው አንሰር should be C ነው። ሶስተኛው የኢንዱስትሪ አብዮት የተጀመረው በኮምፒውተር ቴክኖሎጂ በመውሰድ ስማርት እና ኦቶኖመስ የሆኑ ሲስተሞችን ማምጣት። Number 6, which term is not a core driver that transformed the world into modern society through the general progression of industrial revolution? A, traditional hand-spun textile method. B, the steam engine. C, the rise of digital technology. D, mass production. ኢንዱስትሪ አብዮት ኮር ድራይቨር ወይ ዋና አንቀሳቃሽ ተደርጎ ዓለማችን ወደ ዘመናዊነት የቀየሩ የኢንዱስትሪ አብዮቶች ውስጥ ያልሆነው የትኛው ነው? አንሰር should be ትራዲሽናል ሃንድስፐን ቴክስታይል ሜተድስ የባህላዊ በእጅ የሚፈተሉ ወይም ጨርቃጨርቅ ስራዎች ማለት ነው እነሱ። ሌሎች ግን ናቸው ስቲም ኢንጂን፣ ራይዝ ኦፍ ዲጂታል ቴክኖሎጂ፣ ማስ ፕሮዳክሽን። Number 7, Klaus Schwab, founder and executive chairman of the World Economic Forum, coined the term for which technological advancement in which year? A, digital revolution in the late 1950s. B, technological revolution in the 1870s. C, industrial revolution 1.0 in the 1760s. D, for the industrial revolution or IR 4.0 in the year 2060. የክላውስ ሽዋብ የአራተኛው የኢንዱስትሪ አብዮት 4.0 የሚለየው በመጀመሪያ ጊዜ ያንን የሚለውን ኢንትሮዲዩስ ያደረገው ነው። ፎርዝ ኢንዱስትሪያል ሪቮሉሽን አራተኛው የኢንዱስትሪ አብዮት ወይም 4.0 በ2016 በዓለም ኢኮኖሚክ መስራች የሆኑት ክላውስ ሽዋብ ናቸው So, which development is not listed as important as introduction specifically within the third industrial revolution 3.0, also nicknamed the digital revolution, the widespread use of digital logic circuits, B handphones and the internet, C electrical power in the telephones, D digital records. ተማሪዎች ፈጠን ብዬ መልስ ለመስጠት ሞክራለሁ። ስምንተኛ መልስ ነው ሲ ኤሌክትሪክ ፓወር ኤንድ telephones. 9. In the context of human to machine interaction, the goal of human-computer interaction is fundamentally focused on making computers more expensive for initial setups, B less responsive to user commands, C unfriendly and difficult to operate, D more user-friendly and receptive to the user's need. Obviously, D ነው መልሳችን። users more user-friendly and receptive to the user needs. Number 10. What specific economic factor is cited as being the final cause of the Industrial Revolution leading to an increase in food production that supported industrial growth? A. The rise of large factories. B. Small shop manufacturing methods. C. The agricultural revolution. D. Traditional hand tools usage in home. The correct answer is C. Agricultural revolution. No, ትክክለኛ መልስ። 11. What is the standard time frame used to describe when an emerging technology is expected to be available for use within the next 5 to 10 years? B. Immediately upon its initial discovery. C. Over a period of several decades. D. Only after 20 years of research. The correct answer is within the next 5 to 10 years. 12. The term technology is derived from the Greek root technologia. What did the term originally describe during the initial usage in the 1610s? A. Mechanical engineering, industrial craft, grammar, agricultural science. The answer should be C. Grammar. 13. The Industrial Revolution is defined by a major shift in production. This transition involves moving from using hand tools to make products to using A. New sources of energy like coal to power machines in factories. B. Small-scale manual labor in rural workshops. C. Hand spinning wool in private homes. D. Exclusive reliance on animal-drawn equipment. Industrial shift in production. hand spinning or in private home. This is the fundamental change of evolution from labor to machine. 14. In the context of programmable devices, which component is responsible for executing software instruction to perform tasks like word processing or video games? A. Memory devices. B. Network devices. C. Microprocessors. D. Analog. R. The answer should be C. Microprocessors. ተማሪዎች ቅድም እንዳልኳችሁ ኤክስፕላኔሽኖች ምናምን የምትፈልጉ ከሆነ በደንብ ኤክስፕሌን ያደረኩበት ቪዲዮ ቴሌግራም ሊንኩ አለላችሁ። እዛ ላይ ገብታችሁ ሰፋ ያለ ፈርዘር ማብራሪያ የምትፈልጉ ከሆነ እዛ ላይ ታገኛላችሁ። 15. The American Industrial Revolution, also commonly referred to as the Second Industrial Revolution 2.0, is recognized as starting during which period? A. Sometime after 1870, B. Late 1800s and early 1900s, C. Sometime before 1820, D. Sometime between 1820 and 1870. The American. The answer should be D. Sometime between 1820 and 1870. 16. Where did the manufacturing of goods primarily move to during the Industrial Revolution? A. Small shops and homes. B. Rural areas and farmland. C. Large factories. D. Educational and research centers. The answer should be where did manufacturing? Yes, large factory. How is the fourth industrial revolution expected to advance the foundational element of the third? A. By reverting to hand tools for precision. B. By replacing digital technology with steam power. C. By focusing solely on textile manufacturing. D. By enhancing computer system with smart and autonomous system fueled by data. Answer should be D. By enhancing computer system with smart and autonomous system fueled by data. 80. Which characteristics is specifically associated with the second industrial revolution? A. Mechanization through water and steam power. B. Mass production and assembly lines using electricity. The adoption of early mainframe computers. D. A focus on smart and autonomous machine learning. First, second industrial revolution. Answer should be B. Mass production using electric. B. 90. What is the primary criteria for a technology to be designed as emerging in an academic context? A. It must be an exact reproduction of existing technology. B. It must focus only on local agricultural adjustments. C. It must have minor or unobservable impacts. D. It must be expected to create significant social or economic effect. The answer should be 19ኛ. It must be expected to create significant social or economic effect. 20. Among the drivers that transformed the world into modern society, which one followed the era of mass production? A. The initial steam engine. B. Traditional hand-spun textile method. C. The rise of digital technology. D. The first industrial revolution in England. So the correct answer for question number 20 is C. The rise of digital technology. 21. According to the future trends in emerging technology section, which of the following is listed as trend specifically from 2019? A. 5G network, autonomous device, and digital tunes. B. The invention of the steam engine. C. The first use of the telegraph. D. The transition to hand production methods. According to the future trends in emerging technology. The answer should be yes, A. 5G ኔትወርክ አውቶኖመስ ዲቫይስ እና ዲጂታል ቲዩንስ። ተማሪዎች እናንተ ቀደም ብላችሁ ቪዲዮ ፖዝ እያደረጋችሁ ለመስራት ሞክሩ። እኔ ከመስራቴ በፊት ሶሪ 22. What is a computer specifically referred to as programmable device? A. Because it is made of metal and plastic. B. Because it follows a set of instructions. C. Because it cannot be modified by users. D. Because it only performs one single operation. ትክክለኛ መልስ የሚሆነው why is computer programmable device ለምንድን ነው የሚባለው ነው ወይ ለምን ተባለ ነው? answer should be yes, because it follows set of instructions. Which type of programmable device is designed to provide specific functions including device-to-device interfacing and signal processing? A. Logic devices. B. Memory devices. C. Power cables. D. Hand-spun tools. The correct answer must be logical device. A. Logic device. እነዚህን ሎጂክ ዲቫይስ፣ ሚሞሪ ዲቫይስ መቼም ፈተና ላይ አይቀርም። ማይክሮፕሮሰሰር ምንድነው ስፔሲፊክ ዲፊኒሽናቸው እና ዩዜጃቸው የሚለውን አይደንቲፋይ ማድረግ ይጠበቅባቸዋል። ፈተና ላይ አይቀርም። አንድ ብቻም ሳይሆን 2-3 ጥያቄዎች ይመጣሉ። 24. In the modern era of emerging technology, what is frequently referred to as the new oil? The strategic asset that drives the future of science. A. Coal and steam. B. Data. C. Manual labor. D. Traditional textile. The answer must be the correct answer is data. Data is now regarded as the new oil ወይም ስትራቴጂክ አሴት ተደርጎ ይወሰዳል። በተለይም that drive the future ሳይንስን ድራይቭ ከማድረግ አንጻር ትልቅ አስተዋጽኦ አለው። 25. Which discipline is not listed as one of the thus contributing to the multidisciplinary field of human-computer interaction. A, cognitive psychology. B, computer science. C, linguistics. D, ancient history. Obviously, the correct answer is ancient history. 26. What is the primary goal of human-computer interaction? A, to make computers more complex for experts. B, to reduce the speed of data processing. C, to improve the interaction between users and the computers by making them more user-friendly. D, to replace all human interaction with machines. The correct answer is C, to improve the interaction between users and the computers by making them more user-friendly. 27. Which of the following is identified as the main advantage of human-computer interaction? A, increased complexity of operations. B, higher design costs. C, longer deployment times. D, cost saving for smaller setups. The answer should be main advantage, cost saving for smaller setups. In the world of digital electronic system, which category of device is used to store random information such as the contents of a spreadsheet? A, microprocessors. B, memory devices. C, network devices. D, logic device. Obviously, store memory device. 29. The fourth industrial revolution is driven and reshaped not just by data itself, but also by the fourth industrial revolution is driven and reshaped not just by data itself, but also by the return to 1700s manufacturing. B, the total removal of autonomous systems. C, the decrease in global internet connectivity. D, understanding, exploring, and utilizing data. Yes, the answer should be D, understanding, exploring, and utilizing data. 30. Which of the following is a network device of service enabling equipment? I think this is the last question, but not the least one. Is question number 30. Which of the following is a network device of service enabling equipment? A, modem and routers. B, hand operated swing machines. C, steam engines. D, manual wheel spinning wheels. Question number 30. The correct answer is modems and routers. So በአጠቃላይ ከዩኒት 1 የተወጣጡ ጥያቄዎች ኢመርጂንግ ቴክኖሎጂ ቻፕተር 1 የተወጣጡ ጥያቄዎች ይህን ይመስሉ ነበር። ግልጽ ያልሆነላችሁ ጥያቄ አስተያየት ካላችሁ ኮሜንት ላይ መጻፍ እንዳትረሱ። ፒዲኤፉን ቴሌግራም ላይ ኮሜንት ስር ባለው ቴሌግራም ሊንክ ገብታችሁ አክሰስ ማድረግ ትችላላችሁ። ፈርዘር ኤክስፕላኔሽኖችን ግልጽ ያልሆነላችሁ ነገር ላይ ኤክስፕላኔሽኖችን የምትፈልጉ ከሆነ የቪዲዮ ሊንክ ቴሌግራም ላይ አለላችሁ። ዛሬ ገብታችሁ ማየት ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። ኔክስት በሌላ ቻፕተር በሌላ ቪዲዮ እንገናኛለን። ባይ ባይ።